bonfire fit and I'm taking you into the kitchen for some groceries that I got, as well as a little food prep, so come along with me. Here is a grocery haul from Costco, and I am doing a little more shopping, but here I will go through real quick. Here are some frozen mango chunks for smoothies, frozen vegetables. I got 2 types. I got some broccoli to steam. I love their rotisserie chickens. I know that it is not organic and all that, but every once in a while we do that. I got baby spinach and spring mix, so I'll probably put this in my smoothies and then we'll have salads. I got some pink salmon to put on salad, artichoke hearts. I also have either guacamole or hummus that I will use as my dressing on my salads. I got some more ginger root, and I will be cutting this up and freezing it in chunks. I got some more dates and some eggs, and then we have some more things coming after this. And here was my Sprouts run to the store today. So we got some ground beef because my daughter is going to make stuffed bell peppers. She's learning more and more how to cook since she will be out in the next couple of years. Okay, so I got some cashew butter that was on sale. I got some sunflower butter that was on sale, some cucumbers, some sweet potatoes. Here's a couple of teas. This one, spearmint, is really good for skin especially, and they say if you drink 2 cups of mint tea, spearmint or peppermint tea a day, you will get rid of acne and skin issues. So, and then here is a turmeric. I have not tried this one yet, but it has ginger in it too, so I'm sure I'll love that one. I got some apricots, some peaches, some Honeycrisp apples, some limes, couple of onions. I make my favorite dressing with the red onion, and then Talia will use this for the bell peppers. And then I got a couple more of the essential oils. My daughter usually uses the Peaceful Sleep. I have some tomatoes, some cherries, and some carrots. So I think that will do us for at least the next few days. Now I am going to do a little food prep. I know that this is so basic, but I do get people that say that they like to see the food prep. So I am going to take all these things and turn them into things that I can easily use. So there are the bell peppers, carrots, some cucumbers, and I also diced up some of the bell peppers and cucumber and removed the seeds for my salad because I can't have seeds. And then I made a salad for my husband. So that is part of the vegetables. Here are my baggies for my smoothies, and I just took all that spinach and put them in with the frozen fruits, so I have a quick and easy dump into my Ninja in the morning when I am making my smoothie. And I am going to peel all of this ginger and slice it up, and admittedly, when I did this, it took quite a bit of time, but I happily watched a YouTube video and also chatted with my daughter in between. So really wasn't that big a deal, but yes, it does take a bit of time. I usually use the vegetable peeler for the big part, so I keep the entire root intact and do the best I can in big sweeps with that grater, and then I cut them down into chunks and get all the rest of the peel off. When I cut them into these chunks, I laid them in a pan in the freezer and froze them individually. And then after they're frozen, you can just dump them all into a bag or container in the freezer, and then they'll be easy to take out one chunk at a time. I'll put it in a smoothie, or I'll put it in my tea, or you can just even put it in water, and that will give it a flavor if you like ginger. It's also very anti-inflammatory, so it's good for you. And here I am enjoying my salad and my tea, and it's a little bit of all that stuff that I prepared. So I hope that you are eating healthy and putting good stuff in your body, always pouring into your core all that is good for you. And of course, I hope that you are living your life on fire.